Hi guys, how are you all? I hope that you all are doing good. So today I've got this glamorous half cut crease glitter kind of a look for you people. I have added not golden or any other color but a red glitter to my eyes. So this is a kind of a no technical kind of knowledge look. It is helpful for beginners. You can try it and you can learn how to do a little bit of cut crease and merge it with your background blending and all. So this is that kind of a look for learning purposes. So I hope that you people like this look and this video. If you like this video, if you like this look, then do hit the like button and do not forget to subscribe to my channel and share it with your friends if you want to, right? So let's get started. Hi guys, so let us start with the eye makeup. But first of all, I am going to prime my face using this Urban Color All-Time Radiance Primer. I'm going to apply it on all my open pores and I'm going to apply it on my nose, on my forehead, a little bit around the cheek area, the chin area, around the mouth, wherever I have open pores, and I'm going to close it using this primer. Now I'm going to take this Swiss Beauty concealer palette and I'm going to apply this lighter shade on my eyes. With the help of the concealer brush, I'm going to kind of conceal all the darkness of my eyelid using this concealer. Now I will set using this Makeup Revolution banana powder. This is my favorite. This sets my concealer in place and does not let it become patchy. I will do my brows using this favorite Wet n Wild retractable pencil. I am in the shade medium brown and I'm going to totally shape up my eyebrows before doing the whole eye makeup. To start with, I'm using this Makeup Revolution Rose Gold palette and I'm taking this darker transition kind of a shade. This is kind of a purple dark shade and I'm going to create a difference of my crease. I'm going to basically define my crease with this dark shade. Now I'm going to take this lighter shade and using a small medium fluffy brush I'm going to deepen my crease using this lighter shade. The lighter shade will basically create more deepened crease look. I'm going to take this Miss Claire concealer to create that crease. With the help of this angled brush, I am creating the half crease, cut crease towards the inner corner of my eye. Now taking this lighter shade and I'm going to kind of set the crease which I created using the concealer and also to create a base for my glitter to set in. Using this red from the Febble palette and using the finger to apply it on the crease I created, and then I will set with the flat top brush. Now taking this dark brown shade and I'm going to line my eyelid area. I'm not using any eyeliner today, so this will help me define my eyeline area. I'm back after doing my base makeup. Taking this highlight color, gonna highlight my brow bone and the inner corner of my eyes using this shade from the Febble palette. Going to take this dark shade again and going to eyeline my lower eye. Completing my look using this NYX Liquid Suede metallic shade, one of my favorite lipstick for party looks. Finishing off the look using this Swiss Beauty makeup fixer, I'm going to spray it all over my face and set my makeup a very nice makeup fixer. If you people like the video, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for notifications. Thank you.